Hello, friends. Oh no! What is it? The bridge is gone. We need help. We need help. Help!
Oh no! My friends are in trouble. They need help. I'll help you. Hey Milton, I need your help. I won't say no. Friends, let's go. Friends, let's go! Yahoo! Peter, you were the last one. We are finally saved. Yahoo! Hi. Welcome to the mountain climbing competition. Today we are looking for real heroes who are ready to conquer the highest peak. Good luck to all participants. Start! Oh no! Oh no, I can't stop. I'm sure I can take it to the top. Oh no, it's not possible. My wheels don't have a problem with this mountain. Look how easy I'm climbing. Ah, it's slippery. Ah, ouch. I can't believe I didn't make it. It's all about speed and maneuverability. I did it! Oh! I did it! Yum 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 yum.
Yum 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 yum.
Oh, I got huge.
I'm sleepy. Oi, oi. Oh, what's that? Let's see. Oh, it's lollipop. Yum 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 yum. What's going on?
Whoa, I shrunk. Let's see the next chest. Yum 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 yum.
Oh, I got huge. Whoa. And others I want to try soon. Oh, I have wings.
What's in the last chest? Oh no!
Do you want to see the magic?
Is it dangerous?
It will be fun. Come on. All right then. You said it would be fun.
Never trust a villain. What's wrong? Why are you small?
I got scammed.
Don't worry, I'll help you. Did he shrink you too? I'll arrest you and you have to fix it.
But we have got the box. Go away.
You will be like before.
Woohoo!
It's finally back. I missed you so much.
Thank you for your help.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Yeah, my friend. That's right.
Let's do this.
We are gonna need some help. Hey, stop! Who are you? Let's hurry up before the police come. Hurry up, hurry up! Yeah! We did it, friends!
What happened here? I was attacked and robbed.
Friend, there is a problem. You know what to do. We have to catch them before they get away. They are here, speed up! Stop before it's too late.